Okay, so here we are, a quick recap on alternate and corresponding angles. In your exam, you'll see that you'll have two parallel lines indicated by little arrows to show that they're parallel, or you might be told that line ABC is parallel to DEF, and then we'll have some intersecting lines here across the two parallel lines, which we can therefore apply rules to. The first rule that we can look for is alternate angles, and that will be indicated by a Z shape. If we see a Z shape in the diagram, we can know that the lines, the angle here and here, are alternate and therefore equal. In the diagram then, I can draw this Z shape here, and I know that that angle there is the same as that angle there. The second shape I can look for are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are if we can find an F shape. And if we can find an F shape, we know that this angle here and that angle there are corresponding and therefore equal. Now sometimes you might find the F in different shapes. You might find them that way, and you might find them even that way. But it doesn't matter, corresponding angles are always the same. The important thing to remember is that this line and this line need to be the lines that are parallel. So this line here and that line there, and down here that one and that one are the parallel lines. So on the diagram, if I can find an F shape, and here this line and this line are on the parallel lines, then I know that the angle here is corresponding to the angle there and therefore equal. The next rule I can apply is opposite angles. So if I've got two lines that intersect, I know that one angle is the same as the opposite angle. So in the diagram, I've got two lines here that intersect, so I know that that angle here is the same as that one there. The next rule I can look for is angles in a straight line. If I've got a straight line and a line coming off it, and I have a known angle that I'll call A, I know that I can find this angle because 180 minus A will give me the answer to this angle here because of angles on a straight line. So on the diagram, I have a straight line here, and I have a line coming off it here. Therefore, this angle here and that angle there add up to 180. The last thing you might need to consider is if you've got an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle will be indicated on the drawing where you've got two lines that are equal, and that will be indicated by two little ticks across the lines that are equal. You may also be told that line AE is equal to line EB. Therefore you know you've got an isosceles triangle, and if you've got an isosceles triangle, you know that two angles are equal. So on the drawing here, this angle and this angle here are equal. It's important to remember that the two angles that are equal are not where the two equal lines meet. This angle here is different.